Hi, welcome to iBoysoft. Today I'm going to run through an example file recovery with iBoysoft data recovery. If you don't use this software before, you don't know where to start. This is the video for you. I got an SD card and I delete a picture and a video from it. Files deleted from external disk will be removed permanently. They will not be placed to recycle bin. The recycle bin is empty. In this situation, iBoysoft data recovery software can undelete the files for you. Free download and install iBoysoft software and launch it. Select the SD card where I deleted the picture and the video. For deleted files recovery, uncheck the deep scan. Deep scan takes a longer time to scan more thoroughly for lost data. It is blazing fast if you just deleted a few files. All deleted files will be marked with a red cross. You can filter the scanning results to show only deleted files, or use the search box to find a specific file or a group of files. Select a file and click the preview button to see if the file is what you want to recover and if it is recoverable. Tick the boxes in front of the files you want to recover. Click on the Recover button. Then select a destination to restore the files. Do not save the recovered files to the original location to avoid data overwriting. I restore the files to the computer's desktop instead of the SD card. A folder will be created for restored files. Check if they are recovered before exiting the software. That's it. The software is very easy to install and use. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions or issues, please don't hesitate to reach out to our sales or support team. Thank you very much for watching this video.